Hi guys, my name is Priyadarshini. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm here for a special reason. Today is the World Environment Day, and the theme is beat plastic pollution because plastic is becoming a major hazard for our country, our world, and that is why I'm here. We'll be talking about a few changes that I did in my lifestyle, and these are very simple changes but can have a major impact on the planet. So let's just get into the video and start seeing these changes one by one. So the first change that I did was replacing the plastic straws with these stainless steel straws. As you can see, these are very easy to carry, very easy to use, but at the same time can help save a million of plastic straws that end up in oceans every year. And it's very disheartening to see marine life affected by it, the environment getting polluted, the oceans getting polluted. So this is one change that I've inculcated in my life. So the second change that I've made is very similar to the first one, and it is using a stainless steel bottle instead of a plastic one. So plastic bottles are a major source of pollution, and we all have seen plastic bottles ending up in landfills in areas around us, and they take hundreds of years to decompose, which is not good for the environment. So that is why I've replaced plastic bottles with stainless steel bottles. The third change that I've made is I have stopped using plastic bags. Sometimes it's not possible when I'm traveling or something, but most of the times in my daily life, I try to use a tote bag or a backpack, and I always refuse the plastic from the shopkeeper. And we all have seen a lot of plastics being dumped in areas around us. We all have seen that, and that is not a pretty sight, and it's not even good for the environment. So that is why I've started using tote bags or backpacks, anything that is comfortable to you. But it can save a lot of plastic because, as we all know, it takes years to decompose. The fourth change that I did was incorporating walking into my lifestyle. It not just makes me a healthier person but also reduces my carbon footprint. So I try to avoid the usage of cars or cabs wherever I don't need it. So I try to inculcate more and more walking into my routine. So I have saved my favorite one for the last, and it is upcycling. So upcycling, I believe, has two benefits. First, you have so much fun while doing it, and secondly, it ends up in a very beautiful looking product. So there are a lot of products that I've upcycled, but I'll show you one that is one of my favorites, and it is an ice cream box. And as you can see, I have upcycled it into a very pretty box, and I've stored my craft mirrors into it. So you can use a lot of products from your daily life that you just throw mindlessly to upcycle and can end up in a very beautiful looking product. There are a lot of YouTube channels that can help you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and on this World Environment Day, let's just resolve to take that one little step to save our environment. And it's not a difficult one, it's a very easy one, but you can see the impact of it on the environment. So and feel free to drop in your comments, your suggestions, or any unique things that you do to save the environment so that we can all learn from it. So whoever is watching that video, just take that one step to save our environment, and also let us know in the comment section what are you exactly doing to save the environment, so we can all learn and we can all grow and make our earth a better place to live in. So on that note, I'll be signing off. Thank you so much, and if you like this such content, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and keep watching for more. Thank you.